Hi my angels, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you guys some behind the scenes of when I did my birthday shoot. If you follow me on Instagram, then you may have seen some photos from my birthday shoot that I did. I just wanted to do something a little bit different and a little bit fun. I've actually launched a brand new blog as well, and I thought these pictures would be a really nice way to celebrate the launch of my blog and to be turning 32 and just do something a little bit different because I've never ever done anything like this before. And I feel like as I was getting ready and I filmed the intro to the vlog, I kind of feel like I didn't really get to speak to you guys. Whenever it comes to my birthday, I always like to reflect on my past and that past year, and I feel like this past year for me has been a really positive change, and I suppose I just wanted to celebrate me and just do something a little bit different. So I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. There's a lot of clips of the room just getting transformed into a whole like amazing set from the event builders. And as a side note, the event builders were incredible. They actually ended up pulling this all together in a matter of I think like 5 or 6 days, and it was a dream come true to be able to work with them because I've seen their work all over Instagram and they are just phenomenal to work with. He's legit licking my cream off my face. Their work is just phenomenal, and I was so pleased with the way that everything turned out and just the pictures and everything. It just looks incredible, and I can't wait to do some more shoots and things with them. We've got loads of things up our sleeve that we're like kind of planning behind the scenes. So yeah, I wanted to say a massive thank you to the event builders for being able to for being able to pull this off so quickly. We were planning to do something really basic, but they really came in and they helped us out so much with making the final pictures and everything look incredible. I also want to say a massive thank you to Rishan for doing the photography because he's again so talented with what he does, and I can't wait to shoot some more with him. You guys can see all like photos and behind the scenes and everything over on my Instagram. And then I suppose I just wanted to reflect on just my life a little bit, and I feel like because I've had such a positive like change in my last year that I wanted to share a little something that I shared on my Instagram but I haven't shared on my YouTube channel yet. And that is from this year. I've actually been doing it for the last couple of years, but from this year forward officially, I will not be blowing out any candles on my cake. It's just like a thing. You get a birthday cake and you blow out the candles and you make a wish. But we actually light candles and we light in our lives to literally bring light and positivity and goodness into our lives. Whereas so many of us on the day of our birth, we blow that light out of our lives, and it's a change I feel like a lot of people have done or have done ever since they were younger. Their parents never let them blow their candle out of their cakes, and yeah, it's just something that I really wanted to do and share with you guys, because I do want to share a little bit more about what I do personally, like outside of makeup and all of that. So yeah, I'm literally filming this on my phone because I feel like I didn't really get to sit down and speak to you guys quite a lot in this video because it was such a busy day. So I thought I would do a little bit of an intro before I get into the rest of this video. And yeah, I'm feeling very, very grateful, very, very blessed. And of course, thank you so much for every single one of you who wished me happy birthday. I was going through all of my messages on my last video, my Get Ready With Me video. You guys are honestly just the sweetest. I feel like my life and my energy and everything because of you guys has just been lifted, and I'm just feeling so positive and amazing. So I just want to say a big thank you to you guys, and I don't want to get this intro too long, but I just wanted to jump on to the vlog very quickly before it officially starts so you guys can watch that, but also get a bit of a heartfelt little message from me to you guys. But for now, me and Tupac, hello. We are gonna let you guys carry on watching the birthday shoot vlog, so enjoy everyone! Enjoy everybody! Hi me angels. I feel like I haven't said hello to you, or I don't actually know how I'm going to edit this, but today is the day of my birthday shoot. I wanted to do something really different. I don't know, I never really like celebrate myself. I thought this is the time to do something a bit fun. So we've got the event builders who were in all last night, setting up for the kind of location of like the location of the shoot area, the setup. The whole area looks beautiful. We've got Rishan who will be doing the photography for today. I'm so excited to see what the photos turn out like. And right now I'm genuinely just painting my face. I've straightened my hair. I had like a massive list of things to do, like wash hair, paint nails, like the full shebang. But I'm getting ready and I've got like a whole bunch of different options of outfits to wear, got loads of little cool jewelry bits to wear, and I'm just really excited. I think I'm gonna put in some time lapse of when the event builders were setting up, because it was just incredible to see how they transformed the entire room. We'll be vlogging the whole day, so you guys get to know what goes on behind the scenes. I've never done anything like this before in my home, but I'm excited. Ready. I feel like I'm gonna go for this vibe. This is funnily enough sticking in my hair without me doing anything, which is great. Start shooting in a bit. I think I'm gonna eat first because food is life, and then we're gonna shoot the first few locations and then move outside because it's not raining today and we're gonna be shooting outside, and there's gonna be a whole cool setup outside as well, which you guys will see soon. I just got ready. Oh no, wait, I'm not actually fully ready yet, because I want to have like a bit of an Indian flair. And we're just about to go shoot. The whole like setup is done. I'm wearing my little denim jacket, this black dress, and basically I'm going to try not to be really awkward in the photos. This is what we're working with, and then this is the actual what we're working with. Incredible! Irfan and his team came through and did all of this in a week. And I'm so for it, thankful and grateful for them, but this is just so exciting, and now I just gotta be like not awkward in front of the camera. It's weird because when I vlog it's easy, but when someone else taking pictures of me I'm like so we'll see how it goes. We're shooting still. I feel like I'm still really awkward. But some of the pictures look amazing. Like amazing, amazing. This is so cool. Everyone's here and they're helping. It's going really well. Yeah, they're all my hype team. We've got Richard here. Some talking. Oh, hi. So we're still shooting. We've got one more lot of shots to do before we head outside, and there's some cool stuff happening outside which will be epic. But yeah, I literally can fall asleep right now. We are on the final set kind of area, and we've set up a little a mini garden cinema, I want to call it. It's so cute. This is actually something that I wanted to do for my birthday, and I'm definitely going to do it at some point. So cute. We've got the screen set up, got all the seating set up as well, and I'm just about to do a few photos, and we've got some friends over, and then we're all going to have pizza and popcorn and snacks. It's a pig out kind of day today, guys. But yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks so cute.